Hi, bud.
Back to you. We'll be just stopping just.
Hi, bud.
Light traffic and we're heading. Hold on. Going down Marion County Jail.
Down Marion County Jail. Red light traffic.
Alright, looks like we is turning right on Southwest 79 Paris and signal forward. Back east, slow rolling.
Signal forward right on 79 Paris, still rolling.
We're still rolling.
Still rolling.
51450.
Back to you. Advise the Sierra unit if unable to pull due to the charges. We're turning right on Southwest 177th Ave Road.
Checking the pit. He took off, homie.
This is 709 to go.
Call from my gun.
Marion, we got one.
Stop moving, brother. It ain't worth it. Man, not even get my morning coffee yet.
I ain't either.
Young man, it's not even 8 o'clock yet, man.
Someone pull my belt.
Yeah, when we get gloves on, brother, this could have been an easy court date, man. Now you really going to jail. What, you got warrants or something?
Out of Ohio?
Out of Ohio? For what?
Aggravated arson.
What? Yeah, brother, you should have just let us do our job.
Charges here too.
Yeah.
Sorry.